Hello, and welcome to English 1, Semester 1, our Day 4. If you would please make sure you have opened your note catcher in Schoology, and let's go through our agenda before we get started. Number 1, the do now. You're going to answer a question in your note catcher. Would you rather? Number 2, introductions. We are going to use our academic vocabulary word pessimistic today. Number 3, focus activity, traits of a trailblazer. We're going to look at our strengths and our weaknesses. And number 4, our exit ticket, our optimistic close. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, would you rather work on a project in a small group or by yourself? Please pause the video and respond in one complete sentence. You will not be counted off for spelling or grammar, but you do need to have correct capitalization at the beginning and end punctuation at the end of your sentence. Thank you. Number 2 are introductions. Let's go ahead and get started here. Here's my I do. Who is someone that is pessimistic in your life? Why or how? So a quick review, pessimistic is an adjective, seeing the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. Here is our exemplar. Someone that is pessimistic in my life is my older sister. She always seems to have an opinion about how things are and is pretty negative, even though she doesn't really go out and get involved in anything. All right, on your note catcher, your you do. Take a look at pessimistic. Again, it's an adjective, seeing the worst aspect of things or believe that the worst will happen. Please use this sentence stem. It is located on your note catcher, and complete your sentence. Please pause and complete number 2. Welcome back once again. I'm going to introduce the entire activity before you go back to your note catcher. There is a video attached to this note catcher that reviews all 4 of traits of a trailblazer. And again, all 4 of those are professionalism, personal, entrepreneurship, and interpersonal. Very quickly, even before you watch the video, you can answer 3.1. Have you ever been asked what your strengths are? When? Where or why? If not, where would you predict someone would ask you about your strengths? When you get to 3.2, in your note catcher, you will complete a graphic organizer describing for each of the traits of the trailblazer characteristics ways in which you believe you have A, best met the expectations, and B, which of these traits do you believe you haven't met yet? So, for example, on our next slide, I have given you one exemplar. So, this is an example I use. This is for professionalism. You can use something similar to mine, but I'm really encouraging you to look through this entire, all these different characteristics and their descriptions. But here's just one example. So which of these professionalism traits do you believe you have best met and why? I believe I have met the use for tech skills in my daily work because I present lessons in Google Meet. B, which of these traits do you believe you haven't met yet and why? I believe I have not yet met self-advocacy because I should ask sooner for help with Schoology instead of waiting so long to get help. So, please pause, go to number 3 in your note catcher, answer 3.1, and then go ahead and start that Traits of a Trailblazer video, pause it, and play it as many times as you need, and answer for all 4 characteristics in that table on your note catcher. Okay, you finished number 3. Let's go into number 4, our optimistic close or our exit ticket. So which growth mindset quote do you connect with, also known as like, and why? So number 1, you can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. And number 2, dreams don't work unless you do. All right, once you have finished your exit ticket and you're satisfied with what you've completed on your note catcher, please make sure you submit it or turn it into Schoology. Thank you and have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye-bye.